Okay, welcome back to the Quadratic AI Analysis channel. We're taking a bit of a detour. We're actually going to be doing some, you know, we've been too easy on Quadratic AI. We've been giving them, chip shots, things like, analyzing, energy data, analyzing stock data. It's time for us to begin to do something a little bit more tricky, I'm thinking here. And that is, we're going to use Quadratic AI spreadsheet to do what's called sentiment or text analysis. Before we get started though, do me a big favor, click on that subscribe button for me as well as the like button and the bell icon to notify when I go live. Of course, the standard disclaimer for this evening is what? The standard disclaimer is I'm neither an employee of Quadratic AI or neither am I supported by them, at least not yet. So I'm simply doing this to try to promote their I really like their products, so that's why I'm doing these videos again. So when we talk about sentiment analysis, okay, that means you measure the sentiment of something, and particularly it's used particularly in social media analysis to measure the positive to measure the response, the emotional response to in a tweet or a comment. Is the comment or the words is the comment itself overall positive or negative? Or what about the individual words? Are the individual words within the comment positive or negative? And then of course, a lot of times it's simply three responses, three measurements: positive, negative, and neutral. And you can count the number of responses and then plot them that way. But you can also analyze individual words. Okay. So you might say, beautiful is the overall comment. The overall first comment is a positive is a positive comment. Enjoy and beautiful can be measured positive. Here it says it was terrible. Obviously, this is probably a negative comment. So we got one positive, one negative comment. Number three, amazing would be positive. So that's two, and you can do it that way. Okay. So let's begin. Sentiment. Let's do this. Okay. This is a natural language library. Okay. Uh, I'll perform on the comments using TLTK, a very common backend or library used by both R and Python both. Okay, so now we got our first thing here. All right, good. Detailed system at score. Let's zoom out a little bit. Again, to zoom out, you use the, what do you use? You use the control and the mouse key. You can see we now have, I mean, we can ask questions like, well, what is the top 10 positive words? Okay, so good. 63% was negative. It was positive. Very nice. Okay, what do we do now? Let's see. average sentiment length. Okay, let's view extreme comments. So the most positive comments. Okay, not particularly helpful. Analyze comment lengths, common words by sentiment. Now, the sort of the crowning glory of sentiment analysis is what's called a word cloud. Okay, and that shows that counts the number of occurrences of each word. Uh, okay, good. What does export full analysis do? All right, very good. Okay, so okay, good. Now, this is going to be a very brief meeting session this evening. Okay, so it's done pretty good. Okay, it's done pretty good. Uh, okay, there we go. Let's zoom left a little more. Zoom in here a little bit. Auto scale. Okay, so this is a good effort. So that's not a bad effort. Okay, let's see. Then come up here like this. So what it is, the larger the type, okay, the larger the type, the more occurrences there are. We're at 12 minutes. Emotions, personal project. Okay, good. Okay, we wanted a separate plot, didn't we? But this is what we got. Compare positive word cloud. That's good. That's you know what? I'm going to call this session to a close. Again, this is a very brief session this evening because it's going to be fit into the 15-minute window for my other quadratic analysis channel, okay?